Welcome back to AI Machine Mind, where we explore everything AI. The world of work is rapidly evolving, and the rise of artificial intelligence has brought about profound changes in various industries. Sharanya Bhattacharya is a 22-year-old copywriter from Kolkata, India, who found herself at the center of this AI revolution. She is a student at the Indian Institute of Science Education and Research and had been working as a freelance copywriter. She wrote 2 to 3 SEO-optimized articles per week, covering technology and business topics. By late 2022, Sharanya noticed a significant decline in her workload. The demand for her articles fell drastically, leaving her with just 1 or 2 writing assignments per month. The company she used to work for had started relying on Chat, an AI chatbot, to produce content. Sharanya suspected that these companies were turning to AI as a cost-cutting measure. With little to no explanation from the companies, Sharanya's once steady income came crashing down. She shared her struggles, revealing that she now earned only about 10% of what she used to make. Her income not only supported herself but also her mother, who owned a business selling saris. The sudden drop in income forced the pair to make difficult decisions, drastically cutting back on their living expenses. Sharanya and her mother had to closely monitor their food consumption and forego the activities they once enjoyed. The uncertainty of her employment prospects and the highly competitive job market for copywriters added to her stress and anxiety. Sharanya's situation is not unique. Many employees in various industries have voiced concerns about AI taking over certain job roles. Adobe employees also expressed fears that AI utilization could lead to job losses. A June report from the consulting firm McKinsey predicted a job shakeup due to the introduction of artificial intelligence in the workforce, especially for higher-wage knowledge workers. As the AI revolution continues, Sharanya's outcry against AI's impact on human jobs resonates with many. She passionately advocated for companies to consider the human toll of mass job cuts and highlighted the vast difference between human-produced work and AI-generated content. Sharanya firmly believes that AI can be a tool for collaboration rather than outright replacement. She hopes for a future where humans can incorporate AI with their copywriting skills to achieve better results together. Sharanya's story serves as a poignant reminder that the AI revolution must be navigated with care and a human-centric approach. While AI can undoubtedly bring efficiencies and improvements to various industries, we must not forget the lives and livelihoods being impacted by these changes. We are quickly moving forward into an AI-driven future. We must remember the value of human creativity and the importance of fostering an environment where AI and humans can work together harmoniously, yielding overall better results. Please like and subscribe to AI Machine Mind and continue the conversation on the impact of AI in the workforce. Let's work together to shape a future where AI and humans can thrive side by side. Stay tuned for more thought-provoking content as we explore everything AI.